Sedana Cardboard Hobby. We are cracking 2021 Gold Rush. Baseball Vault, 1 box, eBay break. August 16, 2021. I'm going to read off eBay usernames with team names. MICHA_CRUMM with the Mariners and Nationals. Collins, 2261 with the Indians and Blue Jays. FORTNI_9952 with the Angels and White Sox. Pitt P. Red with the Rockies, Dodgers, Marlins, Yankees, Cubs, and Royals. E. Sanchez 402 with the Astros, Giants, and Rangers. Dat Dude 58BC with the Orioles, Reds, and Rays. JLOUGHRIDG-0 with the Cardinals. Way6_27 with the Mets and Phillies. Notorious Pitt with the Padres. JLOUGHRIDG-0 with the Pirates. Earl Ham 11 with the Athletics. BRQU-6986 with the Twins. Bass Fishing 01 with the Brewers. Drew 87555 with the Tigers. Boston-John with the Red Sox. GVSU 333 with the Braves, and that is your full lineup. Okay, we've got your sealed box here. Get the camera to focus in. There it goes. 2021 Gold Rush Baseball Vault, 3 extraordinary hits per box. Let's get the plastic off. Crack seal. Alright, we got 1, 2, and 3. Empty box. 3 hits here, guys. Your first hit coming your way. Good luck, everybody. Hit number 1. We got We've got a 1982 Topps Cal Ripken Jr. with a Cal Ripken Beckett graded authenticated auto. Come on, camera, get it together here. There we go. 82 Topps Cal Ripken Jr. with the Beckett authenticated auto on there for the Orioles. Also has Bob Bonner on there and Jeff Snyder too. On the Orioles. Future Stars. Beauty. Cal Ripken auto. It's got the consecutive games inscription on there too. Really nice. Orioles on the board first. And Orioles. Whoops. Orioles owned by Dat Dude 58BC. Congrats. Very nice. Cal Ripken Jr. auto. Beauty. Orioles strike first. Alright, hit number 2. And we've got a 2020 Topps 206 Wave 2 Cody Bellinger. Ooh, 10 pristine for the Dodgers. 10 pristine. 9, 5, 10, 10, 10 on the subgrades. BGS 10 pristine on the Bellinger. Very, very nice hit for the Dodgers. Dodgers owned by Pitt P. Red. Congrats. Beautiful BGS 10. 2020 Topps 206 Wave 2 Cody Bellinger. Beautiful hit, Dodgers. Alright, and hit number 3. Good luck, everybody. And we've got a 2019 Topps Transcendent Franchise Favorites Reproductions Ronald Acuna Jr. 9.5 Gem Mint for the Braves. And that is numbered 29 out of 100. A BGS 9.5 Gem Mint. Beautiful card. 29 out of 100 there as well. So the Braves striking last. Beautiful Acuna. BGS 9.5 Gem Mint at a Transcendent. Your Braves owned by GVSU 333. Congrats. Beautiful Acuna Jr. for the Braves. BGS 9.5 Gem Mint. All right, so we had your Acuna Jr. here, 2019 Topps Transcendent Franchise Favorites Reproductions. BGS 95 Gem Mint for the Braves. We had your 2020 Topps 206 Wave 2 Cody Bellinger, BGS 10. Pristine. 10 pristine there for the Dodgers. And we started out with your 1982 Topps Cal Ripken Jr. with the Beckett Authenticated Auto with the consecutive games inscription on there as well. 2,632 consecutive games. Gorgeous card there. Beautiful auto for the Orioles. 3 beautiful hits. I want to thank everybody so much for breaking, guys. I really, really do appreciate it. Cardboardhobby.com. Dugan 1640 on eBay. We've got a really nice lineup of breaks scheduled all week long, so please don't miss out on those. Always stick around in case anybody has any questions or needs anything, guys. I want to thank you so much for your support. Really, really do appreciate it. Please be smart, be safe out there.